The Samsung Galaxy M36 5G is an upcoming budget-friendly 5G smartphone from Samsung expected to launch soon in India. Here is a summary of what's known so far based on recent reports. Launch date: the Samsung Galaxy M36 5G is officially launching in India on June 27, 2025. It will be available for purchase through Amazon and Samsung India's online store. Expected price: the phone is expected to be priced under Rs 20,000 in India. Some reports suggest a price around Rs 19,990. Key specifications expected or rumored: display 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD plus 1080 x 2340 pixels resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It may feature Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. Some sources mention a punch-hole display while others suggest a U-shaped notch. Processor: Samsung Exynos 1380 octa-core processor. RAM expected to come with 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Storage likely to have a 128GB or 256GB of internal storage expandable via microSD card hybrid slot. Cameras: rear triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor and a 5 megapixel macro sensor. Both front and rear cameras are expected to support 4K video recording. Front 12 megapixel or 16 megapixel selfie camera. Battery: a substantial 5000 MHz or 6500 MHz battery with 25 watt or 45 watt fast charging support. Operating system: Android 15 based One UI 7 out of the box with promises of long software support, 6th generation of OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Design: slim, around 7.7 mm thickness and lightweight with new color options like orange haze, velvet black and serene green. Other features: 5G connectivity, AI features including Google Gemini integration and Circle to search. Knox Bolt for enhanced security, in-display or side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Reports vary. NFC support, USB Type-C port, no 3.5mm headphone jack. The Samsung Galaxy M36 5G is positioned as a mid-range offering aiming to provide a balance of performance, battery life, camera capabilities and AI features at an affordable price point.